Hey guys, Dan and Loz here. Since you last saw us at Angkor Wat, we squeezed in a quick day trip to explore a bit more of the area. We visited the river of 1,000 Shiva Lingas, saw the largest 16th century reclining Buddha statue in Cambodia, tried some local street snacks, and stopped by the beautiful Kulen waterfall. We didn't get a lot of footage, but we wanted to share a few highlights with you before moving on. In today's vlog, we're heading to Phnom Penh to explore the countryside on a bike. Let's get after it.
We're in a bus station, waiting for the bus to go to Phnom Penh for our last 2 days. I got the cocoa smoothie.
And Cambodian beer. That's our bus. We got another 3 hours left.
Yeah, many hours left. We don't know for sure.
Yeah, and then what are we doing? Checking in, and we've got a bike ride booked tomorrow.
We just arrived in Phnom Penh, and now we're going to have dinner in the city. How is this city?
Oh, it is just a condensed bunch of people from the rural life, all inside a big city, all doing the same stuff. It's pretty
But look at
intense.
this. There are these old buildings, and right behind them a skyscraper.
Where are we?
At the night market. And we thought we were gonna find some food, but so far it's only clothes, I see.
What are we doing?
Oh my god, we're biking. It's crazy.
You're terrified?
Yes.
The streets are pretty... Well, technically we signed up for what Laurie thought was a rural countryside bike tour, but it starts in the city. I might have neglected to tell her that part. Sorry.
Shit happens. Morning.
Hey, how you going? But this is a nice bike track.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Okay, so it's just started raining. Apparently the tour goes rain, hail or shine. Should have kept the poncho.
You got the pink. You got the pink one, I got the blue.
Okay. Raincoat,
Helmet off.
helmet off.
Yeah.
Okay, helmet off. Oh yeah, nice and sweaty. What a good idea this tour was. Show them the rain.
10 out of 10.
How's it going?
Yeah. It's quiet. I like it.
Definitely not the best idea, but camera's waterproof, so are we now with our new get up. Yeah. Still raining. Absolutely drenched. Riding on a highway. I think Laurie is enjoying herself. Oops, overtaking. Another ferry crossing. Still raining. Still having fun. Well, I'm having fun.
I'm just overthinking.
I think we've both just decided we have reached the absolute pinnacle of our holiday. It is pouring down with rain. We're about to get on another ferry. Our shoes are ruined. We've got to fly out tomorrow.
Or like our clothes are just soaked.
Just got the ferry to another island. And here we go.
We just had a quick snack for breaking some fried sweet potatoes. It just stopped and I started again, even like heavy.
This was not the best idea in the world, but we're making the most of it. Aren't we?
Yeah, we are. I cannot even sing. Stronger, stronger.
Not a lot to say really. It is still pouring down. Everywhere is flooded. What is it, all for the gram?
I'm so happy I didn't put makeup on.
Oh, pothole. Oh, mayday, mayday. Oop. Oh, oh. Note to self, get a mount for bikes. Handholding is not the option. Got a traffic jam.
And I had this on and the helmet and I'm doing this.
Yeah. So, next time we might
Check the weather.
check the weather before we do bike tour through the countryside.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm from Downpour. And the one is called watermelon leaf.
Oh, okay. Market tour on a monsoon. How's it going?
Just look at this.
Good tour.
How's it going?
So here they start from to make a fire.
Inside the tofu skin factory, the heat and the smoke were overwhelming. We found it difficult to stay for more than a few minutes, which gave us a new appreciation for the people whose daily work takes place in these harsh conditions.
They already take fireboat out.
Ah, this is for the second
skin.
skin.
Yeah, yes, this one is the steam.
Yeah,
So this
it's
one is
not
out.
bubbly.
So this one is no way.
1 hour later, and how's the weather?
It's shiny.
And we are boiling.
Yeah.
But
I appreciate the sun now.
it's been a pretty amazing day.
Yeah.
about to get off the ferry. It's going to be... Okay. Okay. I'll sit by you. Yeah, let's do this. All right, your time to shine. That was the bike ride. Started off rainy.
Yeah.
Now
Boiling hot.
it is boiling.
The rain soaked us from start to finish, but we wouldn't change a thing. Exploring the countryside around Phnom Penh revealed a beautiful and genuine side of the city that very few visitors get to see. What seemed like challenging weather turned into one of our favorite memories from Cambodia.
And finished.
This marks the end of our Southeast Asia adventure. For now, because we sure want to come back. But next week, our China series begins. We're taking you from busy cities during Golden Week to the beautiful countryside, from getting completely lost to finding the quiet side of the Great Wall. Subscribe to join us for the next few months as we explore China. See you next week.